Imagine this. You're at an airport in another country. Someone asks you a question and you freeze. That won't happen after this video. 50 phrases, every situation. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say at the airport, at the hotel, at restaurants, and on the streets. 50 essential phrases that will make you feel confident anywhere in the world. And at the end, I'll share one phrase that has saved me multiple times while traveling. You don't want to miss it. Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English Podcast. I'm James and I'm here to walk with you on your English journey. This podcast helps you learn practical English for real-life situations. Today, we're focusing on travel. Whether you're planning a trip or just preparing for the future, these phrases will make you feel confident in any country. Before we start, remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to communicate. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Traveling should be exciting, not stressful. But when you don't speak the language, everything feels harder. Buying a ticket, asking for directions, ordering food. I've been there. I've felt that anxiety, the fear of not being understood, the embarrassment of not knowing what to say. But once you have these 50 phrases, you'll feel like a different person. Confident, prepared, ready for anything. Here's how this works. I'll say each phrase slowly. You repeat out loud. We'll cover the airport, the hotel, restaurants, getting around, and emergencies. By the end, you'll be able to navigate any travel situation in English. This isn't theory. This is practical vocabulary you'll use as soon as you travel. Ready? Let's start at the airport. You just arrived at the airport. Let's practice what to say. Where is the check-in counter? Say it with me. Where is the check-in counter? Good. Where is the check-in counter? I'd like to check in, please. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in, please. Perfect. I'd like to check in, please. Here's my passport. Your turn. Here's my passport. Great. Here's my passport. Can I have a window seat? Say it. Can I have a window seat? Good. Can I have a window seat? Can I have an aisle seat? Repeat. Can I have an aisle seat? Excellent. Can I have an aisle seat? How much luggage can I bring? Now you. How much luggage can I bring? Perfect. How much luggage can I bring? Where is the boarding gate? Say it. Where is the boarding gate? Good. Where is the boarding gate? What time is boarding? Repeat after me. What time is boarding? Great. What time is boarding? Is my flight on time? Your turn. Is my flight on time? Good. Is my flight on time? My flight is delayed. Say it. My flight is delayed. Perfect. My flight is delayed. Where is the bathroom? Repeat. Where is the bathroom? Excellent. Where is the bathroom? Is there free Wi-Fi here? Now you. Is there free Wi-Fi here? Great. Is there free Wi-Fi here? 12 phrases. You can now navigate any airport. These are real phrases. People use them every day, and now you know them too. You're doing great. Let's continue to the hotel. You arrived at your hotel. Let's practice these phrases. I have a reservation. Say it with me. I have a reservation. Good. I have a reservation. The name is ... Repeat after me. The name is ... Perfect. The name is ... I'd like to check in. Your turn. I'd like to check in. Great. I'd like to check in. What time is checkout? Say it. What time is checkout? Good. What time is checkout? Can I have a late checkout? Repeat. Can I have a late checkout? Excellent. Can I have a late checkout? Is breakfast included? Now you. Is breakfast included? Perfect. Is breakfast included? What's the Wi-Fi password? Say it. What's the Wi-Fi password? Good. What's the Wi-Fi password? The air conditioning isn't working. Repeat after me. The air conditioning isn't working. Great. The air conditioning isn't working. Can I have extra towels? Your turn. Can I have extra towels? Good. Can I have extra towels? Where is the elevator? Say it. Where is the elevator? Perfect. Where is the elevator? Can you call a taxi for me? Repeat. Can you call a taxi for me? Excellent. Can you call a taxi for me? I'd like to check out, please. Now you. I'd like to check out, please. Great. I'd like to check out, please. 24 phrases done. You're almost halfway there. Think about this. With just these phrases, you can handle the airport and the hotel, two of the most stressful parts of traveling. You're building real confidence, real ability. Let's keep going. The next part is essential. Restaurants. Because let's be honest, food is one of the best parts of traveling. Let's make sure you can order exactly what you want. Time to eat. A table for two, please. Say it with me. A table for two, please. Good. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? Repeat after me. Can I see the menu? Perfect. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? Your turn. What do you recommend? Great. What do you recommend? I'd like to order, please. Say it. I'd like to order, please. Good. I'd like to order, please. I'll have the chicken. Repeat. I'll have the chicken. Excellent. I'll have the chicken. Can I have water, please? Now you. Can I have water, please? Perfect. Can I have water? Is this dish spicy? Say it. Is this dish spicy? Good. Is this dish spicy? I'm allergic to nuts. Repeat after me. I'm allergic to nuts. Great. I'm allergic to nuts. I'm vegetarian. Your turn. I'm vegetarian. Good. I'm vegetarian. This is delicious. Say it. This is delicious. Perfect. This is delicious. Can I have the check, please? Repeat. Can I have the check, please? Excellent. Can I have the check, please? Do you accept credit cards? Now you. Do you accept credit cards? Great. Do you accept credit cards? 36 phrases. You can now order food anywhere in the world. Think about this. Next time you travel, you won't be nervous at a restaurant. You'll sit down confidently, order what you want, enjoy your meal. That's freedom, and you're building it right now. Keep going. Let's practice moving around the city. These phrases are essential. How do I get to ... Say it with me. How do I get to ... Good. How do I get to ... Where is the nearest subway station? Repeat after me. Where is the nearest subway station? Perfect. Where is the nearest subway station? Is it far from here? Your turn. Is it far from here? Great. Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Say it. Can you show me on the map? Good. Can you show me on the map? How much is a ticket? Repeat. How much is a ticket? Excellent. How much is a ticket? 1 ticket, please. Now you. 1 ticket, please. Perfect. 1 ticket, please. Does this bus go to the city center? Say it. Does this bus go to the city center? Good. Does this bus go to the city center? Where should I get off? Repeat after me. Where should I get off? Great. Where should I get off? Can you take me to this address? Your turn. Can you take me to this address? Good. Can you take me to this address? How long does it take? Say it. How long does it take? Perfect. How long does it take? 46 phrases. Only 4 more to go. You're almost done. You've learned how to handle airports, hotels, restaurants, and transportation. These are the essentials of travel. With these phrases, you can go anywhere. You can communicate. You can solve problems. You're no longer helpless. You're capable. Let's finish with the most important phrases. These last 4 phrases are critical. Emergencies. Hopefully, you'll never need them, but it's better to be prepared. I need help. Say it with me. I need help. Good. I need help. Call the police, please. Repeat after me. Call the police, please. Perfect. Call the police, please. I lost my passport. Your turn. I lost my passport. Great. I lost my passport. Where is the nearest hospital? Say it. Where is the nearest hospital? Good. Where's the nearest hospital? 50 phrases. You did it. Stop and think about what you just did. 50 phrases covering airport, hotel, restaurant, transportation, and emergencies. You're now prepared to travel anywhere in the world and communicate in English. That's not just practice. That's life-changing. Most people travel and feel lost. They point at menus, they gesture with their hands, they feel frustrated and embarrassed. You won't be one of them. You have the vocabulary, you have the confidence. You practice every single phrase with your voice. This is real preparation. This is real learning. Now, the phrase I promised, the one that has saved me multiple times. Here it is. I'm sorry, could you speak a little slower, please? Repeat after me. I'm sorry, could you speak a little slower, please? Good. I'm sorry, could you speak a little slower, please? This phrase is magic. It tells people you're learning. It asks for patience, and it keeps the conversation going. Use it whenever you need. No shame, no embarrassment. It's a sign of courage, not weakness. Native speakers respect learners who ask for clarity. Remember this phrase. It will save you. If you practice all 50 phrases with me, comment "ready to travel" below. And tell me, what's your dream destination? Answer in English. I want to visit Japan. I want to go to Paris. I dream of seeing New York. Practice writing it. If this helped you, hit the like button. Share it with someone who's planning a trip. Subscribe for more episodes like this. Next time, learn English with a story. A different way to practice, relaxing and powerful. We'll follow a character's journey and practice English naturally through storytelling. It's one of my favorite ways to learn. You'll love it. I'm James from Talk Easy English Podcast.
Talk easy, grow strong. See you next time.